Before you even step foot on a cruise ship, you've already done the cruise. Seen the cabins, you've seen the food, you've seen the arguments, because you've joined the Facebook group. And if you've ever joined one, you'll recognise every single one of these. Number 1, calling it a boat. Straight in, you go and call it a boat. Not a ship, a boat. Uh-oh, you won't just get corrected, you'll get a full maritime lecture. Comments like, actually, anything this size is a ship. Boats go on ships. My uncle worked at sea in 1987. Before you know it, you've started a debate that lasts longer than the cruise itself. Number 2, arriving before your check-in time. The question goes, can I get there early? You'll get 2 types of replies. Firstly, one half acting like you've asked to storm the ship, and the other half proudly saying they've turned up 3 hours early and it was fine. We always do it. By the end, you're more confused than when you asked. Number 3, starting a smoking debate. You're just asking where the smoking area is, but just don't. You'll have one side saying it should be banned completely, the other quoting rules from 2004, and someone insisting they've always smoked on the balcony and no one's ever said anything. All you asked for was where the smoking area is. That comment section is absolute chaos until it's switched off. Number 4, asking about the dress code. Oh no. Can I wear shorts to dinner, they'll ask. Simple question, you think? Right, I think wrong. This turns into a full-on fashion tribunal. You've got the formal night purists. We've all seen them. The wear what you want crowd on the other half, and at least one person bringing up Cunard like it's royalty. At number 5, it's lift etiquette. Ask anything about lifts, and you really need to brace yourself. People blocking doors, not letting others off first, pressing every button. Suddenly, everyone's got a story, and somehow it always ends with, you know it, are you ready? Just people have no manners these days. Number 6, criticising a cruise line on a cruise fan page. Say just one negative thing, just one. And the loyal fans appear instantly. They'll say, it's not like that normally, we've been 17 times and it's perfect. You just like complaining. You're a Karen. You're no longer giving feedback. You're defending yourself in the court of cruise law. If you're enjoying this and agree with the comments so far, hit the like button. New around here, subscribe for more cruise content every week. Right, let's have a bonus now. This one is for you, the admins. When the admin has had enough, you know it's gone too far when the admin steps in. Suddenly the tone changes completely. Right, everyone, this stops now. Use the search bar. No more posts about dress code. It's less cruise group and more primary school. Comments get turned off, posts start disappearing, and everyone behaves. Well, for about 12 hours, until someone asks, of course, about shorts in the dining room. Let's move on to number 7, asking about the weather. We've all seen it. What's it going to be like? For a cruise, 6 months away, across 3 different countries. You get the guesses, the Google screenshots, and someone confidently saying, are you ready? It was sunny when we went in 2018. Brilliant. Thanks for that. Next up, it's number 8, asking if the sea will be rough. It's a classic, and there's always one that asks it. Someone asking if the sea will be calm in a future sailing. Let's look at the replies. It felt like a roller coaster. Others, we didn't feel a thing. Same ship, completely different answers. Again, really, really useful. At number 9, it's questioning travel insurance. Do I really need it? This one escalates very fast. First, you have the horror stories, life advice, someone typing in all upper caps. Short answer, of course, is yes, you do. The long answer, well, just go and check out that comment section. At number 10, it's complaining about the food. Plenty of posts on Cruise Facebook. I just didn't like the food. That's all they write. That's it. Now you've got people listing everything they ate, defending the buffet like it's a 5-star Michelin restaurant, questioning your tastes entirely. At number 11, the Legs 11 mentioning Sunbeds. Oh, it's the classic. Just bring up Sunbeds. Go on, just ask on a Facebook group. Towels on lounges at 6 a.m. People just popping off. It's basically the Hunger Games with a pool. And these people really do keep a close eye on your sunbed, so watch out. Number 12, asking if the drinks package is worth it. Brilliant question. You'll get a spreadsheet of answers, actual spreadsheets. People calculating drinks per hour. Someone always says you need 7 cocktails before lunch to make it worth it. Others accusing people of being alcoholics. So all I can say is good luck with that one when you ask it on the Facebook group. At number 13, unlucky for some, but this is the packing questions. Do I need to bring? Do I need to bring? You'll get every possible answer, plus someone listing their entire suitcase. Yes, you know it. You have seen it. By the end, you're packing for every scenario imaginable. Again, good luck with that one. At number 14, it's first-time cruiser questions. We love first-time cruiser questions. Keep asking them, but they'll ask something like, any tips? Nice and simple, just want a few answers. 150 comments later, you are completely overwhelmed. From just relax to a full survival guide. Number 15, the search bar police. Love this one. Ask anything that's been asked before. Go on, just ask them. And suddenly they appear. Use the search bar. No hello, no welcome to the group, no how, just that. Is it efficient? Well, yes. Is it friendly? No, not so much.
Tell us down below your regular Cruise Facebook questions and tap on the screen right now for a fabulous 4Bs video.